Ever wonder what makes a song classic? Is it the melody that sticks in your head, the lyrics that speak to your soul, or the way it makes you feel every time you hear it? Let's dive into the world of timeless tunes and find out. Classic songs have a unique ability to transcend time and space, connecting people across generations and cultures. In music, classic means a song or artist that stands the test of time, influencing generations with powerful lyrics, melody, and style. These songs often become anthems for movements, soundtracks for memories, and symbols of eras. Classic tunes don't just fade away, they leave a mark on our hearts and minds. They evoke emotions and memories, making us feel connected to a larger human experience. From Aretha Franklin's empowering anthems to Nina Simone's soulful melodies, Black artists have shaped what we call classic music. Think of Aretha's Respect, a song that became an anthem for the civil rights and feminist movements. Ray Charles's Georgia on My Mind, a song that beautifully captures the essence of longing and nostalgia. Sam Cooke's A Change Is Gonna Come, a powerful anthem of hope and change during the civil rights era, and Nina Simone's Feeling Good, a song that exudes confidence and liberation. And let's not forget Marvin Gaye's What's Going On, a poignant commentary on social issues that remains relevant today. These songs are more than just hits, they're legacies. They have shaped the musical landscape and continue to inspire new generations of artists and listeners. A classic song resonates with emotions, tells a story, and connects generations. It's a piece of art that grows richer with time, gaining new layers of meaning with each listen. It doesn't fade, it grows stronger with time. The more we listen, the more we discover, and the more we appreciate the artistry behind it. Whether it's played on a scratchy old vinyl or streamed on a digital music player, a true classic always hits the right note. It bridges the gap between the past and the present, reminding us of where we've been and where we're going. Today's hits are still inspired by the classics. Artists like Angie Stone, Her, and John Legend draw from the rich legacy of those who came before them, blending timeless elements with modern innovation. This unique wave of performers carries the torch of these legendary artists. They honor the past while pushing the boundaries of what music can be. They blend the timeless elements of classic tunes with modern vibes, creating music that feels both nostalgic and fresh. Their work ensures that the spirit of classic music lives on, evolving with each new generation. Fun fact: the term classic comes from the idea of something so great, it becomes part of the cultural tradition, lasting forever. It's a testament to the enduring power of music to move us, inspire us, and bring us together. That's right, classics aren't just old, they're eternal. They capture the essence of the human experience, making them relevant no matter how much time passes. What's your favorite classic song? Is it a timeless ballad, a rock anthem, or a soulful melody? Drop your answer in the comments below, and let's keep the legacy of these legendary tunes alive. Share your stories and memories associated with these songs, and let's celebrate the music that has shaped our lives. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more musical magic. Let's continue to explore the world of music together, one classic song at a time.